Today's soul stretch meditation will be setting intentions, sitting with your legs crossed, palms over knees, steady breathing. You begin to wiggle your fingers, releasing all the energy and tension from them so they can be relaxed and calm, just as your breathing is. Your head is slightly lowered, relaxed shoulders. Steadying your mind, steadying your body in this stillness. Begin to roll your head 3 times in one way. That's 1. All the way around. That's 2. And 3. Nice and slowly rolling all the way back to the side. As you come past front, other way, around, back, shoulder and front, releasing that tension again as you go around, back, shoulder to the front, again around, and stopping at center and lowering your head down, chin all the way to chest, then looking all the way to the sky and back. Again, your head lowers down, chin is tucked. And then head comes up to the sky and then all the way back. Again, chin tucked, head down. Head lifted, rising all the way back, head up. And then back to center. Rotating your palms up as they're on top of your knees to receive all that is good and positive and affirming in this moment, in this time, in this meditation. Slow, steady breathing, appreciating the present, where you are right now. Appreciating the present before you set intentions for the future. The present is good. The present is kind. The present is taking you where you will be. Take one hand over your diaphragm. We're going to take deep breaths as you expand your stomach out. And then it comes back in. Deep breath out, expanding the diaphragm. Exhale, it comes back in. Again, deep breath. Exhale as it comes back in. Slow, steady breathing. Place that hand on top of your knee as the other one comes over your diaphragm. You're going to breathe through your shoulders and through your chest. Taking a deep breath in and then exhaling out as you lower a little bit. Taking a deep breath in, your shoulders raise just a bit. They're tense. And then exhale, release all the tension. Again, take a deep breath in, shoulders raise, tight. And then exhale, they lower. Other hand places on top as both hands are over your stomach. You're going to expand your stomach and raise your shoulders. As you take a deep breath in, and then exhale down. Everything, take a deep breath in, and then exhale back down. Hands by your side, As you extend your legs in front, straight, flexed feet, energy all the way to your heels. Be present. Point your toes, flex your toes. Point your toes, flex your toes. Feel the energy all the way to your feet. Point. These feet are going to take you where you go once you set your intentions, your plans. As your arms come up to the sky, energy all the way to your fingertips, and then reach towards your toes, towards your feet. You can grab your feet, you grab the back of your calves, under your legs, whatever you can reach. Just reach as far as you can. Reach in front of you. Your feet take you where you're going. Reach in front of you. Grab a hold of your plans and your intentions that are good. They excite you. They hold your goals and your plans. And all that you know is already set forth for you. Grab hold of it. Hold it. Hold it. Reach for it. It's literally stretching you. Physically, mentally, emotionally. But you have peace in this feeling. You are still relaxed in this feeling, grabbing hold tighter, tighter. Take a deep breath in. And then exhale, bring your chest closer to your legs. Holding it there. You can take deep breaths, you can rock side by side, or you can just relax and hold on to what is already yours as you reach for it all the way down to the soles of your feet. Release as you guide your hands on your legs as you sit all the way up. Legs are still extended in front of you. Feet are flexed, energy all the way to your heels, filling all the muscles in your legs. Slow, steady breath. Bringing one leg in, the other one is still extended out. Reaching as you glide your hands onto your legs down to your feet. Both arms reach towards your feet, chest to leg, or hands go under the calf, whatever is comfortable and you can reach for you. Just taking it one step at a time, one leg at a time, one reach at a time. When you're setting your intentions, you're setting your plans, your goals, it takes one step at a time. And you're grateful for every step, every reach, every opportunity that is already set for you. As you release your foot, you rotate over to that side of the leg and turn and hold. Chest lifted, back straight. Foot flex, energy all the way to the heel. Feel all the muscles. Energy to your fingertips, to your foot, to your toes. Release and go ahead and bring both legs in front, hands on thighs, back straight. Slow, steady breath, being present in the moment. Bring the other leg in. The other leg stays out in front as you gliding your hands on your legs all the way down towards your feet. Foot is flexed, energy to the heel, chest towards the leg, back is straight, head is slightly lifted. Showing gratitude and thankfulness for this body. When you set intentions, It's because you know what you're capable of, and you know you're capable of even more than that. You intend to do good, and you will. Reach for it, stretch for it. Feel everything that comes along the journey. Slow, deep breaths, reaching, holding on. Maybe sink a little lower. And then release, hands glide back on the legs. Both legs extend, flexed, energy to the heels, feet flexed, hands on thighs. Back straight, chest lifted. You are capable of your intentions. As you glide your hands down towards your legs, down to your feet, you reach towards them. You grab hold of them. Your feet that take you where you're going. Mentally, spiritually, and physically. Reach and hold. Feel all the stretching of the muscle in your body. Know that you can feel comfortable when you stretch your mind and your body. Your spirit has peace in this. Taking a breath and maybe getting it a little lower and just holding it there. Maybe lifting your heels if you'd like, and just holding this stretch. Release, guiding your hands up towards your thighs. Feet are still flexed, back is straight, palms are facing down on top of your thighs. Steady breathing. Bring both legs in as you begin this meditation, legs crossed. Back straight, hands on top of thighs, palms facing up to receive. Head lifted to the sky. You are ready for what's to come. You are more than ready. You've decided what will be. You've set your intentions and you excite in it. You smile at the thought of you already having the key to what you need. It's already yours and you're receiving it daily, every moment, every second, every hour. It's here, it's yours. Feel it in your hands, feel it in your body. Arms raised up as you stretch and you reach and you grab hold of all that is positive, all that is good, all that is affirming. Reaching all the way to your fingertips, grabbing, clasping your hands together. Arms are straight, grabbing a hold tight, holding tight to all that is yours, bringing it down towards your chest. Chin slightly on top of your hands, rested, receiving it, being thankful for it, showing gratitude towards it. Having peace with this. Slightly bringing your hands towards your chest, head still lowered. It's already done. Showing thanks. Amen. Enjoy your day. It's ready for you.